Hello guys, so welcome to day 4. So day 4 today is a rest day actually. So what I have planned is 3 days of exercise, and on the 4th day we will have our rest. As a beginner, this is the best thing which we have to do. Okay. Uh, for this rest day, I will just talk about what I have done for my diets. Okay. So I'm following this kind of diet. I'm taking an intermediate fasting. Okay. Along with no sugar. So what I do for intermittent fasting is I eat at 9 p.m. in the night after dinner. Then I will have my next food or meal at 1 p.m. the next day in the afternoon. So I will be skipping the breakfast. Okay. Uh, and I will be having this 1 cup of green tea. Okay, in the morning I won't be having anything solid, only the liquid. So 1 cup of green tea along with the ginger. I have mixed ginger along with this, and it might not taste very well, but it's really effective. I'm guaranteed saying it. I'm just going to have it. Cheers. Anyways. Wow. It's even good for the throat. I could feel that spice of that ginger on my throat. It's very well effective, and we'll hold on for lunch. And for lunch, probably I will have anything I like, anything, but having zero sugar. So completely skipping rice, no rice. Might be something like an egg fried omelette, and maybe something which like what do you say? Yeah, rava dosha. So rava dosha is actually it has zero sugar. You take rava and you mix curd along with it, and you make it in a batter format, and you can cook it up. So that has zero sugar. Apart from that, nothing. Okay, you can have anything you like, but it should have zero sugar. Don't think about the carbs right now. Let it be carbs. Don't go under full control, because we are in the starting phase. We need to have some energy. If at all you cannot wait for intermittent fasting, if you are not able to skip the breakfast, you can skip the dinner as well. After dinner, like after having the lunch, you can skip dinner and continue with the next day's breakfast. That's up to your wish. This is my wishes, my kind of place. I skip breakfast and I have my lunch and dinner as usual. With this said, then you have will continue along with the exercises as well along. Every day is the same. So after 1 week, we will change the exercise pattern, because once our body is customized to this present workout, we'll change it to a different one. When we are on the different one, it might be a little bit more complex, and we will be able to do it much more easier than before. We'll particularly aim the abs, we'll particularly aim for the chest, we'll particularly aim for the shoulders, the necks, our thighs, the glutes, obliques. We will focus on each part and we will do it. No issues at all. And mostly, one thing is consistent. We need to be consistent. This is the challenge. We know this is the challenge. So if a challenge should be consistent, it should be like something worth it. So the thing which is worth it is the result. Within 2-3 days of this, I could feel a change in total appearance. Like I felt like a balloon earlier. Like I felt like before starting this, I felt like my face was exploded like a balloon. It's still, I'm having still fat over here, but earlier it was like puffed up more. But now that puffiness, I'm feeling that it's a reduced puffiness is there, and more confident, and even while working also, like if I'm working, I work from home as well. So there also I feel very like energized in doing my work after doing these workouts, and having a great bath after the workout is very well gifted. Oh, it's awesome. And what I particularly do is I am a professor. I'm at Times Institute. I'm teaching data science and artificial intelligence program for students as well as professionals as well. And I also have a company of my own which deals into solutions, technological solutions, and also an educational learn platform. So with these focused on, I'm a kind of busy person during the mid evening and all. So if you are not that kind of busy person, if you are not busy with some works, I would suggest that you have to do some kind of thing which you will be engaged on, either taking up a hobby or something new. Because if you like stick to something, like stick to being playing PUBG, I used to play PUBG and all, and it didn't give me any benefits. It just made me more fat and all. So I just stopped all those stuffs and I just focus on doing some positive works. A lot of good things are happening to me, and I wish that that you guys, if you're following along, to have the same changes, a positive feel, and everyone is looking forward for it. And my support is my family. My family does support me. Like my mom cooks a great meal. Like she have changed as a whole, like what should I have which has zero sugars. She even searches on YouTube and also other like other videos how to make foods which have zero sugar, those kind of stuff. And I'm lucky to have a mom like that, and my dad who is abroad, and he's also supporting me with some wise words and all. Much more right now, like this is it. So my plan is to totally change. I have to go from fat to fit. And one more thing is, I also have a job. My job is in Abu Dhabi, so I'll be a wireline engineer there at Ahelia. Ahelia is a third-party service company which provides services to ADNOC, which is Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. So I'll be working as a wireline. So what happened was I got locked on before joining, and the things have turned past. So I have been lazy and all, but now it's not the time to be lazy. I have to pick up my slack. I have to pick up all that health which is there under me, under this fat. And I would ask, like, if you feel this impacted, if you feel like the workout and the diet, if it's impacting you, like, do let me know. And if anyone is joining along with the challenge, please let me know, so that on my next talk I will be mentioning you guys. And I will also, if you could send me the videos, I will also be posting it along with my videos, so that will be very good. We have to help each other out. I just want you guys to understand that obesity is really bad, it's depressing. So we'll have to change ourselves, change lifestyle and everything. And I want you guys to support along with me on this challenge. If you are not joining, at least do have a comment in the section below, so that I can understand how you guys think about the channel. Something might change. So then that's it very much, guys. um, you guys have a wonderful day ahead, and also stay happy by being fit, and follow me at Be Fit with Apu. Thank you very much, guys, for watching.